How to enable dark mode on TradingView application using your smartphone. Hi everyone, welcome back to Finance and Crypto Guide. To enable dark mode on the TradingView app, it only takes a few minutes, so here's how you do it. First of all, open the TradingView application on your smartphone and log into your account. Once you're inside the home page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Menu. Inside the Menu tab, go ahead and click on the gear icon at the top right corner, and on the next page, select the theme option. Choose the dark option under theme and click on yes in the pop-up, and you'll be able to change your TradingView app interface to dark theme. That's it. Now your chart also should be easier on the eyes, especially at night and for your trading sessions. So that's it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.